There's a blow up right there, you see it? Alright guys, day 2. We're at the same fishing spot. There's a big blow up over here, he told me to go over here. But we're gonna see if we have some luck today. I don't see the alligator. But if I see the alligator today, more likely I'm gonna be moving. But I brought some swim baits, so I'm gonna try some different ones, see how they're hitting down there. He's saying they probably don't hit, but I never listen to what another man has to say, diving the bait.
Oh, dang, that's why he's over here.
Probably just better off using the search bait. What did he say? Huh?
Jack, alligator over here. See where that splash is? Right in front of it. That's where the gator is. He ain't gonna dive down for the bait though. He snatched mine yesterday when I came across them. Here comes the alligator. Look, my buddy caught one over there. My buddy got one. Bring it over here and feed the alligator. He wants my bait, guys. See, you can't even fish here without being disturbed. See, the resident's gonna kick you out, or the gator's trying to steal your bait. What? He wants me to go over there because he can't get the bait off. What type of person am I fishing with?
Why do you like it so much? You have to match the house, cuz. Match your environment. There you go. Oh, are you serious?
Caught another one?
Like he was a damn target. He ain't had no shirt on that jump. He's a big one too. All day, baby.
The alligators get mad you eating all his food.
All day.
Yes, sir.
Raise this dream, dude.
All right, so what I'm doing right now, guys, I'm getting the heck away from this alligator because he's the reason why I'm not catching a fish. I don't know where my buddy went. Hope he didn't get rained up out of here. Oh, he's up here. Huh? So apparently, there's another alligator in here. He said this was bigger than the first one. Where at? It's another one. He's bigger than the first one. Do what? He was in the grassland. I just hope he don't chase me. guys, it's the second alligator. Wow, he's a monster. Wow. Oh, shoot. He's under there. Can they run faster than humans? There he is. Look at him. He's a monster, dude. He's like 5 times bigger than the other one. Oh my goodness. Yeah, he's eating real good. Well, you got one. You got one. Don't worry about him. He's more afraid of you than you are him.
He wants food, brother.
So what?
What's he in there doing? He's a nice one. Fat little chub.
Yeah, he's a nice one.
Get that gator in the shot. Come here, little dingy boy. He's gonna feed you today.
It's a nice one, bud.
That's like 4, 3.5. Look, I got another. Oh, he's big. Nice one too.
Man, this dude just caught 4 fish in like 20 minutes.
Little chunker. You think this is a black drake?
These gator must be territorial. There might be another one on the other side. You got one down on that end, one on this end. Dude, I seen this monster one today down Silver Springs. You hear me? Nah, he was huge. His back was so wide. I don't think it's a gator. There's gators living in here. There's big fish in here. They ain't a gator, bro. Nah. That's a stick. He sees that movement. He can see that ripple in the water. Fish on. Fish on. Oh, it came off. Oh, he got away, guys. Oh, he got away, bro. That's because I didn't run and grab him.
Down here at Florida diving and baiting. Watch how I do this.
This pond is active. All right, guys, it's gonna be it for me. Pretty much done fishing. I just caught that last fish on this booty tail. Other than that, I haven't had much luck. Caught one yesterday. These alligators in here. I don't know if they're scaring them away or what's going on. But we're out here, we caught some fish, we made it possible, all because of diving the bait. Subscribe to the channel.